It was quite a pleasant experience, and I thought it was going to be a real hassle with everything, but it turned out to be, they took care of everything. I always thought it would be such a great big problem, and then I realized after speaking with the representative that it's not such a big problem after all, and now that it's finished, I'm pleased. Extremely fortunate, because it had worried me some time seeing the condition of my little seawall, and my neighbour kindly called me and brought a representative over from this company, and after talking with him I could almost feel like my troubles would be over if they took care of it. The workers were very friendly, and they are taking care of a neighbour of mine further up the road, and I even stopped my car to call them to come out and say hello to me, which they did immediately. So I've made 2 more friends. They were charming, they're 2 fellows with their yellow jerseys on. It was lovely to see them coming in the morning like a ray of sunshine. And now that I've met the young man that does this interview, I see that all the employees of Helicon must be very nice to me.